Boxie Pet Homes, and we have something that's guaranteed to pique both you and your pet's interest. Did you know your pet might actually need a box? Introducing Boxie. It's a box, yes, but it's so much more. It's a home, a hiding place, a bed, a toy, and anything else your pet needs, including security and comfort. We love our pets. Each are important members of our family. When we brought our first kitten home, we looked high and low for something inexpensive, fun, and modern that matched our aesthetic and our pet's needs. After weeks of coming up short, we decided to make our own. With over a year of research and playing with our animals, we finally nailed it and found a renewable material to create more than 5 different functioning shapes. Inspired by traditional origami, each of our shapes fold into a fun, sturdy structure. Cats are solitary creatures and not known to problem solve. Hiding is a behavioral strategy to cope with changes and stressors. This is as true for cats in the wild as it is for those in your home. Only instead of retreating to treetops or caves for alone time, yours may find comfort in a box. A box, in this sense, becomes a safe zone, a place where sources of anxiety, hostility, and unwanted attention simply disappear. Here's the thing, not all cats are stressed all the time. Some just want to relax. Cats are most comfortable in temperatures 20 degrees higher than our own comfort levels. This explains why they enjoy curling up in small places or in the sunlight. Our boxes, made from corrugated cardboard, are great insulators that let your cat ball up and preserve body heat. In a lab study, sheltered cats with boxes got used to their new surroundings faster, were far less stressed early on, and were more interested in interacting with humans. By introducing your pet to its very own space, they'll reward you with more of their love and affection. And for the times they just want to play, or hide to plot their sneak attacks against the barbarians they live with and take over the world, they now have their own unique place to do so. Don't worry, we have something for our canine friends too. They have similar needs for insulated space, privacy, and some way to retreat. How many times have you told your pup to stay off the couch, or begged them not to jump on the bed? A place of their own is the solution. Boxie doesn't discriminate. Give one of our shapes a try for your other pets too. We're excited to share our story with you and invite you to become one of the first involved.
Hi, I'm Lex, founder of Boxie Pet Homes. We are so excited to share our project with the Kickstarter community. And with your help, we can bring a little more joy to our pets' lives. Back us today.
When you want the very best for your pet, the Elite Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is the ultimate of litter boxes. Its stylish yet smart design makes cleaning your cat's litter box easy and simple. All you have to do is roll it over and you're pretty much done. To use the Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Litter Box, lift up the stylish, upgraded, chrome-plated accent clips and fill it up to the line measurements inside the box with clumping cat litter. Then just give your cat some time. The Rolling Clean Litter Box has a grill inside that catches clumped waste. When you roll the box onto its top, the waste is caught while the clean litter passes through the grill, getting rid of the bad stuff and keeping the good stuff. When you roll it back down, the waste goes into the pull-out tray while the clean litter covers the bottom. You'll see your litter box is level with cat litter, clean and ready to use again. The Cat Step is an additional feature that helps your furry friend to clean its paws upon exiting, so you can spend more time with your pet and less time cleaning up after them. Now, if only your cat could clean its litter box.
cat loves to be on local neighborhood watch, perched at the window and keeping an eye out for all those pesky birds while soaking up the afternoon sunshine. This is why I bought her the K&H Kitty Sill, the sturdiest window perch on the market. To assemble, simply measure the leg distance against the back wall and snap the legs into place. Apply pressure until you hear an assuring snap. After cleaning the windowsill with alcohol, apply the hook and loop adhesive strips to it and the back of the kitty sill. If a more permanent solution is desired, fasten the back end down with the included screws. The Thermo Kitty Sill includes a removable MET-listed dual thermostat heating unit. Using only 6 watts of electricity, the energy-saving design heats 12 to 15 degrees above ambient room temperature to entice your kitty, then increases to approximately your pet's body temperature when in use. The attractive oval design is available in several fabric, color, and pattern options that will look great in any home. The Deluxe design features a removable bolster for your cat to curl up against and an easy-to-remove cover that is machine washable. So, as this little soldier continues to guard the perimeter, she'll stay comfortable, warm, and thankful. Give your cat the K&H Kitty Sill, exclusively from K&H.